How to make a carousel post on Instagram? I'll show you the step-by-step here. Don't forget, if this video helps you, subscribe to the channel. You'll start by clicking on the plus sign up here. Go ahead and click. When you click on the plus sign, a few options will appear. Since you want to make a carousel post, you'll click on this third option, post. Go ahead and click. You'll be redirected to your gallery. And what should you do here? You'll choose the images or videos you want to include in your post, in your carousel. Remember, you can select up to 10, okay? So I'm going to select here. You just need to click. Click and select. I'll select the ones I want here. Done. I've selected them. Once you finish selecting, you'll click here on next. All the images will be shown here. Guys, as you can see, you can change the order of these images by pressing on an image for a moment and dragging it to the side, okay? That way you can arrange and position them however you want, all right? Here are the images or videos. Below here, you can add an audio if you want. If you want, you can also click to add text in case you want to, okay? But it's not necessary. It's optional. Only if you really want to, you don't have to. You can add filters, make edits, and so on. Once you finish doing whatever you want, typing or making changes to the image, you click next. It will load, you wait, and then you'll come here to make this post, okay? Here, as I mentioned, if you want, you can add audio, and there are already some options down here. If I, for example, click on this one, it will be added right away. You can tag people here, add a location, and so on. You set it up however you want. Once you're done setting it up, click to share, and it will automatically be posted here, as you can see. Posting, just wait. Done. It's already posted. Here it is, as you can see. Here's my post, the carousel I just created. Okay, everyone? Now you just need to set it up however you think is best. So that's how you make a carousel post on Instagram. I hope this was helpful. If I helped you, don't forget, help me out too and subscribe to the channel.